If you're planning a concrete pool build or renovation and trying to choose between plaster and tile finishes, you're in the right place. Today we're breaking down the differences, especially durability, so you can choose the finish that lasts longest and looks great for years. We all want a pool that not only looks gorgeous, but also stands up to sun, chemicals, and time. The finish you pick makes a huge difference, and choosing the right one now can save you money and headaches later. Let's start with the basics. Plaster finishes, usually white or light-toned cement blends, have been the standard for in-ground pools for decades. They're smooth, classic, and budget-friendly. But tile finishes, whether glass or porcelain, are installed along the entire interior. Tile gives more design options and a finish that shines with color and texture. Plaster typically lasts about 5 to 10 years before you'll need a resurface. Why? Plaster wears down from chemicals, sunlight, and pool usage, little by little. As plaster ages, it can fade, roughen, or stain, and eventually you'll see pebble exposure or etching. If you're in a high-use location or want low-maintenance longevity, that's something to think about. Tile, on the other hand, particularly durable materials like porcelain or glass mosaic tile, can last 20+ years with proper installation. Tile is resistant to fading, staining, and surface erosion, especially around the waterline where chemical wear is heaviest. Tiles also act as a barrier between water and the plaster shell, helping protect the structure underneath. While tile comes at a higher upfront cost, its lifespan and resistance often make it more cost-effective over time. So, what should you think about when you're making the decision? First, there's budget. Plaster usually costs less upfront, while tile tends to cost more at the start but lasts much longer. Next is maintenance. Tile is generally easier to keep looking clean and polished over time, with less visible wear. Then there's design flexibility. Tile gives you far more options for color, pattern, and texture, things plaster just can't really replicate. And finally, value. Tile finishes often raise the overall perceived quality of the pool, which can matter for long-term enjoyment and resale. If you're planning a long-term pool, you want to stay beautiful with minimal resurface cycles. Tile, especially high-quality porcelain or glass, is often the best choice. But if budget is tight and you're okay with a future resurface, plaster can still be a solid option. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe for more pool design and material tips. Have questions about plaster versus tile? Drop them in the comments below. We'd love to help.